Good morning, Bam. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Alrighty. Let's see. Let's get the new book pinned in the comments for you guys. That way, if you have not seen it, the new age of day trading is officially out. And there's nothing more that I want in the world than this bad boy to go #1. The first book went #1, so fingers crossed. That, or actually, hold on. Get my second book here and get that pinned. But yeah, let's try to get this bad boy #1. The last one went #1, so fingers crossed. We can do it again. That'd be a huge accomplishment. I got positive vibes, though. I know it's going to happen. Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Who we got in here? We got Morrison, TTO, JB, HD, Jersey, Juan, Adrian, Susan, Don, JJ. Did I already say JJ? No. JJ. I don't know that word. Something day traded. I'll just say plain. Plain as day trading. Is that what it's trying to say? Jessica, Hacksaw, Jason, Kaz, Chuck. Oh, let's get this bad boy running up. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades. Let me know in the chat. Let me know. I'll tell you what though, those trend days are my least favorite to try to trade. Yesterday, clearly, all we did was trend down. I don't like trading days like that just because, I mean, in hindsight, yeah, I should have just bought puts. But as we know, the market doesn't go down forever. I mean, those trend days are pretty rare that they actually happen. So, again, I'm not a huge fan of them. Least favorite day of the week, or least favorite day to trade. I know a lot of other people are the same way, so we shall see. Yeah, I got some nice trades yesterday. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Alrighty, let's run this bad boy up. Let's see what we can find today. So let's start on ES. We do have some nice bounces that we're coming down to. As you can see, we bounced off of that one fib cluster, but mainly today what I'm going to be watching is going to be this 44.35, and then 44.26.25 is going to be the highest probability bounce for me today. So let's clean this up a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, bounces down here. Good morning. And then, I mean, a possible reject at that 1 hour 21 EMA. That doesn't look terrible. It's definitely a possibility. Let's mark this overnight low, or actually yesterday's low. Could get a liquidity sweep below it. Let's check the economic calendar as well. See what we got going on today. It's already Thursday. That's crazy. So we got a lot of Fed speakers today, actually. We have one at 9. We have one at 11:45, 3:30, 3:45, 7, and 7:05. But we have initial jobless claims, productivity, and unit labor costs at 8:30. So Fed speaker could cause some volatility. We'll see. We will definitely see. But yeah, liquidity sweep here, bounces here, possible reject here. Not necessarily seeing a clear fib there, so let's try SPY and see if SPY's got one. That's better. Again, take these lows. Pivot low, pivot high. Pivot low, pivot high. So, again, main bounces are going to be down here. We could bounce off of this level. So definitely many different bounces that we could watch today, but personally going to be more interested down at this 442.15 and 440.9. And then again, reject 1 hour 21 EMA. Guess if we wanted, could watch a reject at the 61.8, but prefer that 1 hour 21 EMA. That's the clearest level that I'm going to be watching. So that is it for ES and SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ, get you guys pulled back up. Again, good morning, everybody. All channel members, greatly appreciate you guys supporting the channel. QQQ set a lower low. It's going to be a pretty hefty drop. So 369.87 to 370, and then nothing until way down here is what I see on QQQ. Then let's see, we have the overnight low. Again, reject 1 hour 21 EMA. I'm pretty sure that was a misprint, so we're gonna have to use NQ to see if that fib is valid. Yeah, actually no, because we already broke that low. So honestly, no, not even any good fibs for a reject. It's gonna have to be that 1 hour 21 EMA. Currently trading at the overnight low. See what it does. It could have just done a liquidity sweep and then make a move higher. Definitely good. But all right, that's it for ES and NQ. SPY, QQQ for the time being until around 8:30. We'll come back. We'll take a look, finalize some levels. In the meantime, let's go through this day trading watch list, weekly watch list. I was thinking about swinging upward for like a technical lotto, because it hit that 21 EMA that I was watching. Could make the move into 1584. I was just looking at it at the end of the day. It had a 1 hour squeeze, but it was trading below the 1 hour moving average. So maybe today, if it can break above and reclaim it, I'd be willing to try it. They were like $40 a pop, and they were trading at a high of like 90 yesterday. So that's a little over 100% potentially. And then if it went all the way up there, definitely, you know, it would be way more than 100%. But I'm going to keep an eye on this. I just wasn't really loving it at the end of the day. So this is the only swing that I'm currently watching. But yeah, keep that on your radar. Let's take a look at Apple. I know there was more Apple news overnight. Again, we talked about this yesterday before the market opened, that China news where they're banning Apple devices. Obviously, that's going to be big for Apple. But again, would be interested at a reject somewhere up here at that 1 hour 21 EMA. Actually, it looks like, hold up. See where that 70.7 was. Oh, pretty close. Alrighty. But as far as Apple, broke the fibs. Don't really care about that. AMD still trading near the area. Again, only interested if it breaks. So we need to break a 112. We're at 107.50, so that's quite a hike away. So we're gonna skip over that. Amazon. $34.16 doesn't look bad. Possible bounce. Boeing, don't care about. Baba, gap down. Caterpillar, I'm just taking this one off the watch list. Coin. Oh. Don't care about that one. Costco, don't care about. Google, like I said, I would be very interested if it could find its way down into these fibs. Which, I mean, $1.30 sell-off, that could happen on Google today. And we could look for a bounce. So, IWM, don't care about. Mar, don't care about. Meta, couldn't hold that resistance, turned support yesterday, fell below, turned it back into resistance. Honestly, not in love with anything on Meta unless it were to break below these lows. So we're gonna skip over that. Microsoft. Doesn't look terrible. But skip over it. NVDA. Did you guys see the news about NVIDIA and their chips or whatever it was? It was something like people are starting to think that it wasn't the sales numbers aren't true. Wouldn't that be something? That'd be crazy. And also, real quick, in case you guys are just tuning in and you did not know, after I've been blasting it on social media these last couple of days, my second book, The New Age of Day Trading, is officially out on Amazon. So if you're looking to learn more about my overall day trading strategy, Fibonacci, sniper entries, my stop loss strategy, specific day trading setups I look for, my new day trading strategy intraday. I don't know if I said multiple time frame analysis yet, how to piece together that multiple time frame analysis to find high probability setups, and so much more. Make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Day Trading, on Amazon using that link right there. And the thing is, when I bring up this new book, I always want to say, if you want to learn more about my day trading and swing trading strategy, make sure to check out The New Age of Technical Analysis. I'm going to have to rewire my brain to not say that now. The New Age of Day Trading, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome. A lot of people got them yesterday, which was quick. Very quick. All right, PayPal. Care about, again, QQQ going to be down there. That's a misprint. Roku. I think, did it fill its gap? It did. That was quick. I mean, I'm still interested in trying to swing this down at 80, the 1 hour 21 EMA. I'm very interested in that. Very, very interested. So we're going to keep that on side. Shopify. Could be forming a 4 hour cup and handle. I'd say if the market got strong today, this is definitely something I would watch. We have our rounding bottom right here, slight pullback for the handle. Let's see. Let's put that on the long list. Shop. Where is everybody today? We only got 170 people in here. What is this? I don't think we have any gaps on SPX. No, no gaps. We have this very tiny one right there. So, I mean, 4550, 4500, 4400. We have these levels right there. Cool. Looks pretty solid to me. All right, let's keep SPX. SPY we already talked about. SQ. Still interested at SQ, or in SQ way down here. Rejected right off that daily 21 EMA yesterday. That was a pretty big rejection. Could make its way back down. But personally not really trying to short this thing. And then Tesla. Also, speaking of Tesla, does anyone in here actually own a Tesla? I'm curious. I've been saying for a while that I've been looking to buy one, but I think I'm actually going to go get one now. They slick. So I'm curious if anybody's got one and what you guys think of them. But as far as a Tesla setup, depends on this daily 21 EMA if it closes below it. But not really seeing a setup that's sparking my interest on this Tesla. You own one? Not bad. Okay. The Model Y, because I could write off like a good portion of the Model Y because it's 6,000 pounds. So more than likely the Model Y or just the Model X. They're both the SUV version. Gotta think of my dad car, you know? Getting old now. I'm 24, turning 25 in a couple months. Yeah, I was reading that it only costs like $1,200 a year to charge. Is that true? If you actually own one? Yeah, that's the reason why I would buy one now is because the prices have significantly dropped from where they were like 3 or 4 years ago. I remember when they first came out and this girl I was talking to, her dad bought one for like it was something ridiculous, like 80, 90,000. The little car one. Now I'm pretty sure you could buy those for like 30,000. Crazy. Crazy. But yeah, the Model Y, I think it's like 65,000 is what I just saw. Which again is significantly lower than what it used to. So, I don't know. Or I could get that new 2023 Corvette. That one's pretty bad. That's definitely a possibility. Anyways, enough about cars. 44, 47, that's our area. Again, we could liquidity sweep below here. That's definitely a possibility. Could happen in the pre-market, and then we come back up and try to tag these highs. Definitely a possibility. All right, well, it's 8:24. The individual stocks I like are only Amazon, Google, and Shopify. That's it. But I guess in the meantime, while we're waiting for 8:30, has anybody got questions? Any trading questions? Any stocks that are not penny stocks you want me to look at once we get to 8:30? Then we'll start narrowing the list, finalize some levels, and then we'll go from there. What you guys got for me? Nah, I don't even like the new Supras. The new Supras are ugly. Sorry if anybody drives one. But not the car for me. Stingray. I mean, you can watch Apple to the downside. It's just look at how much it's already sold off. So I don't wanna chase that. I mean, the high risk trade would be the break below 177. I would just prefer a pullback, and then maybe we could try a short. So we'll see. Sky blue Stingray. Those things. So sexy. Alrighty. Let's see. Somebody asked about booking. We can take a look at booking. I mean, it looks like it wants to try to push that high. The only issue is that weekly's very overextended. That monthly's pretty overextended. It depends on the daily 21 EMA. Do we close below or do we keep holding above? The more we hold above, the higher the probability we'll push these highs. Yes, 21 EMA and the squeeze is super accurate. Yeah, the second book's going to also talk about stuff I didn't talk about in the boot camp. Trust. Trust. Let's see, hold on. What other questions do we got? Yeah, car horns, that's my new name. But yes, Tito or TTO, make sure to check out the second book, The New Age of Day Trading. Trust me, you're going to find a lot of information in it. Lots of information. There's a link in case you didn't see the pin one. But we got 3 minutes. 3 minutes until 8:30. Any other questions you guys got? Broncos are slick. We can take a look at that. NVAX is $9. What? Jeez. Shows how long it's been since I looked at this thing. That's crazy. I mean, your best bet would to be watching and seeing how this weekly squeeze closes, or this weekly candle closes. Maybe it comes back and it makes a weekly 21 EMA support. If that were the case, then I would look for an upside move from there. But it's going to take a few weeks for this to play out and actually validate a setup. So could be something to keep on the back burner for some equity. We'll see. Since 2017, late 2017. If you're looking for a day trade, I mean, 970 doesn't look bad. 970 to 960 for a potential bounce. Yeah, when you guys start getting the book in the mail, make sure to send me in-hand pictures of it. For sure. All right, we got jobless claims dropping in 1 minute. Let's get this all pulled up, ready to rock. Let me pull up Twitter real quick. Ooh, there we go. Why is Megan Fox trending on my Twitter? Is it because she's in Mortal Kombat? I have no idea. Anyways. What are the numbers? $216 versus 228. Estimate 234. Continuing 1.67 versus 1.72. Previous 1.71. Where's our productivity? Come on, give me the productivity. Labor cost 2.2, forecast 1.9, previous 1.6. Nobody cares about the Canadian building permit. Sorry if you're from Canada. Respectfully, I don't care about your Canadian news. All right, let's see how the market reacts. Productivity 3.5, forecast 3.4, previous 3.7, so below. So it looks like labor cost increase, productivity decreased from the previous. All right. Let's do this. Thanks for the donation. I greatly appreciate it, TTO. Maple syrup prices are up. That's funny. Such a weird thing. All right. Do they have maple syrup futures? Can't speak. Maple syrup futures. I wonder if that's a thing. It's actually a thing that you can trade maple syrup. That's crazy. Alrighty. Let's see if they end up reclaiming this 44.47, or we get our bounces down there. Alrighty. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do go live every single morning around 8:05 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 700 videos on my channel teaching you on how to trade. So if you're not taking advantage of all the free information, not tuning into the live streams, and you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. You're definitely missing out. But I think we're going to have to use the ES bounces today just because they're a lot closer than SPY. Again, a little different on price action, but 443.34. Let's see how SPY reacts to that level. If it bounces, obviously that's an area that we want to watch. If it breaks through it, then again, 61.8 is going to be the next area. Still interested, 1 hour 21 EMA for a reject. This is a misprint, obviously, so just watch that 1 hour 21 EMA, bounce here, bounce here. That's it for that. Then I'll go over to NQ. NQ is getting very close to the 50% retracement. If it breaks that, we have a lot lower that we can go. So again, we'll see what happens there. Amazon. Looks like it's going to tag the level in the pre-market. Depending on if we bounce, maybe we come down, bounce, come back up, spike below it during market open, and then we can look for a long. Definitely a possibility. Not seeing any good rejects. Not really in love with that 1 hour 21 EMA. So we'll see what happens there. Google. Probably one of my more favorite setups for a bounce. Could watch both sets. Really depends on price action. Really, let's see. I really like the Shopify. If it can reclaim that 21 and hold, which it's currently doing, it's got the relative strength in the overall market. Yeah, Don, I think we'll hit 60K. Also, I have a new style of content dropping today, so hopefully you guys like it. I am in the process of finding an actual editor that's going to make it a lot more engaging, but I went through and did it myself, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Definitely going to try to change the content up. That way it's not just me, in front of a computer talking, on the screen. So make sure you guys are here tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Let me know if you guys like that. We're definitely putting Shopify on the list, though. That is 100%. Let's see. No, I'm pretty sure that each year the write-off for the vehicles are getting lower and lower. And then taxes are higher. You always hear, I like it. Alrighty. Let's put Shopify on the list first. Upside. Alright, so there's Shopify. Really depends if ES gets down there. Four 35, 44, 26.25. All right, let's SPY. It's pretty much about to tap it. It's getting very close. Very close. 10 cents off. But yeah, like I said, I like the ES levels more. I like the ES way more. So I don't ever need QQQ. I think literally just got slaughtered off of that news. Again, we could bounce here, but I mean, if I'm really gonna watch an area, it's gonna be here. This this zone right there. So Q. X. All right, so spying QQQ, watching the 1 hour 21 EMA for rejects. It's gonna be around 445.68. See what happens when we touch the level. See if we bounce here. See if they buy it up. If not, it's invalid. And then we watch the next levels. And again, yes, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you want this watch list posted in the chat for free. Remember, if you guys want it, it is 225 likes for the watch list. Don said you guys are pretty far away. You're 95 likes away. So if you guys want it, you gotta run it up. Gots to run it up. Just waiting and seeing if we're gonna bounce at this level. Just waiting. All right, so we got Shopify. What was it? It was Amazon and Google. See if we bounce at that level. Amazon is like, it is right at the level. I mean, possibility. The watch list is sent in Team Bull, but you guys get it in here for free if you hit the like goal. Alrighty. I don't know. It might be Google today. Might be Google. What you guys thinking? Amazon or Google? What we thinking? I guess it really depends what Amazon does. If it hits it and bounces. Pretty close. We'll see. Yeah. Shorts puts on Amazon. It didn't deliver the book yet. I ordered 50 of those books also. You want to know how long it's going to take to get to me? It's not going to be here until September 18th. And I'm the author. They've taken, I ordered them yesterday, 12 days to get to me. 50 of those things. It's going to be a heavy box, too. And they're trying to buy it up. We do have buyers down there on ES as well. I mean, they could. It's definitely a possibility. I just prefer the ES fibs today over anything, but. All right, let's look at Amazon one more time. Might wait a little closer to market open to see what the market does. Because I like them both. Amazon's at the level, unless it were to just completely destroy this level right now, then obviously it would be void. But it's sitting right on top of it. And we got some buyers, 44.37. Actually, a lot of buyers, but we also have a lot of sellers. So we will see. Thank you, exclusive content. Or exclusive quality, my bad. I appreciate that. I greatly appreciate that. And again, if you guys want this watch list, we need 53 more likes. If you guys want it posted in the chat. 53. Let's give this a couple more minutes. Alrighty. Spy. It's holding the level. We'll see. Yeah, I was talking about my OnlyFans, sorry. Guess it's really up to Amazon right now. Amazon just going to invalidate the level so I can say, hey, I don't even want it. I'm just going to go with Google. Link for the book. You can get the book right here using this link. Again, my new book, The New Age of Day Trading. You can get it right here. Bang. We can actually, yes, we can take a look at Airbnb. Never mind. I was gonna see if it had a bounce at that level. But yeah, nothing for me. I mean, you could watch it there for a bounce if you really want to, but not super interested in that. All right, we're just gonna go with Google. Good old reliable Google. Google. Bounce. That is 132.63 or 132.90. Cool. That is my watch list for the day. Let's make sure Shopify is still holding up. Nope, never mind. And it just really depends, I guess, if they can buy it back up. But 4-hour squeeze, 4-hour cup and handle. The market can push. This could go. And if it just sits there and consolidates today, I mean, I'm willing to take a swing into tomorrow. Maybe like a lotto. We'll see. But yeah, that's the watch list for the day, ladies and gentlemen. Let's head on over to ES. It's about to hit the level. I was hoping it would wait. But again, if you guys want this watch list posted in the chat, we need 30 more likes. Once we hit 30 more likes, 225 total, that's when I will drop the watch list in the chat for you guys for free. So now it's just up to you guys. Once you hit it, I'll drop it. If we don't hit it by 8:55, no free watch list for the day. It's only going to be in Team Bull. In the meantime, if you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. I'll take a quick look at AI. Oh, they reported. Again, I personally think that this whole AI thing was just, it's hype, right? If you can catch it early, yeah, you can make a lot of money. It was just like all the EV companies back in, what, 2021 this happened, I think? Yeah, late 2020, 2021. We had NIO, we had XPEV, we had, all these electric vehicle companies coming out, and everybody thought it'd be the next Tesla. So what does it do? Pumps off of it. I was able to catch that move. Also was able to catch a move in the EV companies. Like, I was able to catch this move on Blink. And those contracts, if I remember correctly, don't quote me on it, they went from, I think it was $180 to $1,165 on this trade that I took on Blink. But again, it was just it was a hype thing. So Blink, ChargePoint, and we'll have those hype periods. But if you're late to the party, you're gonna get nailed. So personally, I think this whole AI thing, just hype, but from a technical standpoint, we are holding the weekly 61.8. We might close below it. So, yeah. But yeah, nothing on that. Sorry for the little rant. I'm just waiting until we hit 225 likes. What are we at? We hit it? 207. We're getting close. Super duper close. Any other questions you guys got while we're just chilling and waiting? What is that? Ooh, I'm terrible at math. 18 more likes? 17 more likes now? Any trading questions? Yeah, yes, it's very close. We'll see. Again, I prefer the lower fib at, what was it? 4426.25. Nothing on NVIDIA that I care about. Take a quick look at VIX. AMC. That thing dead in the water. Definitely a very big spike in the VIX today. Double bottom, higher low. I mean, it's really going to depend. 1595, 1664. Those are going to be the key areas to watch. No, I only trade like 9:30 to 11 or 11:30. Sometimes I'll trade a little later, but I would say probably 97% of my trades are within that time frame. And then I just typically don't like sitting here all day. The whole reason I trade is just financial freedom. So take what I make from the market, go apply it other places, make more money, right? More income streams, and enjoy life. Go to the gym, jiu-jitsu, whatever else I got going on. Never been big on sitting here all day. I would suggest day trading just because swing trading, I mean, they both have their pros and cons. But swing trading, you're prone to overnight news. So you could get screwed, potentially. Yes, indeed. All right, 7 more likes and you guys get this watch list. And again, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, over 700 videos on this channel teaching you on how to trade. So, if you are not subscribed, you're missing out. We're getting super close to 60K subscribers. It would mean the absolute world to me if you guys did click that subscribe button. But we're closing in on the final 2 minutes for you guys to get these last 3 likes, and then you get the watch list posted in the chat. There it is. So before I post the watch list again one more time, if you guys haven't already, make sure to check out my new book, The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide on Amazon. 325 pages is what the final copies came out to be. Talks a lot about, well, actually, it's only talking about my day trading strategy. Multiple time frame analysis, sniper entries, stop loss strategies, a lot about my Fibonacci retracement strategy, supportive resistance, strike prices, futures, SPX, you name it, it's more than likely in it, right? So there's a lot of information inside of that book. So make sure you guys check it out on Amazon using this link right here to get the New Age of Day Trading. And once you get once you get the book in the mail, make sure to take an in-hand picture and send it to me on Instagram. Or even post it on your story. That would be greatly appreciated as well. But, like I said, this is the watch list for the day. The market could just completely invalidate everything. Like I said, I'm watching a bounce here. I'm watching a bounce here. The market could just blow right through it. Shopify could fall apart. Google could not even respect the bounce. QQQ could just die, right? So this is just the ideal game plan for the time being. Obviously, the market is unpredictable, so the plan might change, right? So, as always, everybody trade safe, trade smart. Here is the watch list for the day. Shopify, SPY, QQQ, and Google. Boom. There's a watch list, ladies and gentlemen. Give you guys a couple minutes to screenshot it, write it down, whatever you need. But yeah, I'm good if you guys are good. And again, the most important thing is the plan can absolutely change. Of course, Jeffrey. Of course, of course. Decent volume off the fib. Of course. Alrighty. Everybody have an excellent day. Let's run it up. Make sure you guys tap in tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Also, make sure you're on the channel tonight, 7 p.m., where I will be uploading a new style of video. But yeah, everybody have an amazing day. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you in like 10, 15 minutes. Other than that,